Introducing DAP's new spray texture. It's texture reinvented. Whether you're a professional or a homeowner that loves DIY and putting in sweat equity, DAP's unique spray texture provides endless possibilities. Reliable professional results that go above and beyond your expectations. How so? Let's break it down. But let's specifically talk about orange peel. Easily repair any texture drywall, all with just a simple spray can. Unlike the conventional methods that require you to use a large air compressor. From repair to renovation, dial in your desired texture size, whether it's fine, medium, or even heavy, and achieve a professional looking finish every time. The can's consistent pressure ensures an even application with less cleanup, giving you flawless results and the confidence to get it done right the first time. Oh yeah, and it's a 2-in-1. An industry first spray nozzle allows you to spray overhead, straight on, below, and in any hard to reach area all in the same can. Experience the ease of use, professional quality results, versatility, multi-purpose spray texture today from the #1 wall repair brand, DAP, on the job since 1865.